Welcome to another episode of Bunce and King Fishing. Today I'm at the Kennet and Avon Canal. After looking at our videos from last year and the success we had at the same time, October, I thought I need to pop down and give it a go again. I did have 2 rods in. That's got a ledger there, and on the float I've just lost a pike. It's only a small one, but still good to know that they're on the feed. It's pretty foggy today. Took a little while getting here, couldn't see where I was going. About 7 degrees, the car said. For some reason, I'm wearing shorts. Who knows? So yeah, see what we get. So I'll just give you a rundown on my setup. Just a basic float rig. So I've got a line stop, bead, a float, another bead, weight, bead stop to a clip, and then we have my rig. Water's still quite warm, so I'm using a single hook, which is proving quite well. And then what we're going to do, so I've got my Baylys baits, KrayZKrill, which should be a nice attractant for the pike. And you see how that gets on. So after one intense long battle, here is the prize. The smallest jack I possibly have ever caught. But looks pretty actually it's fin perfect. Well, there's a nice little jack. Didn't bother weighing it. It was about £1 or something. Fell to quite a small roach, and that was topped off with a bit of KrayZKrill glug from Baylys baits. Worked good for cats, so I thought try pike seems to be right. The fellas I'm with have had a couple of, well, we've landed 1 pike, lost a couple. So the stretch is looking quite good at the minute. Just gonna have a coffee, and then I think we'll wander down the canal and see what we can find. I'd love to catch a perch today. Second catch of the day. I'm gonna call him Clive. Clive the crayfish.
What weight are you giving yourself for that one, Mark?
That's easy, a 10-pounder.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's a Sunday roast.
Yeah.
Bit of butter, bit of garlic, lovely. I think we've had enough time at this swim now. Did just have a run on my ledger, but nothing there. We've managed to catch a few little live baits as well as the crayfish, which a passerby unwittingly stood on, which is fine because that's what you've got to do anyway. Yeah, let's move down, and I think my favourite spot's coming up, so fingers crossed for that. Well, we've had a couple of mistakes, but just landed this one. This was on a sprat with KrayZKrill Baylys bait glug on. Bit lively, so I'm going to get him back. There you go, guys. About 4 or 5 pounds, nothing massive. Gonna bite me, so I'll put that. It's so well camouflaged in the water, isn't it?
Hmm. And there he goes.
second one from the spot. On sprat again. Sprat again with the same glug on. Oh, there we go. Been perfect actually, no rips or tears or anything. As you can tell, the sun is beaming down now, very warm. See if we can get some more. We only had one little one at the other end, but fingers crossed. Literally just did that bit to camera. Boat's coming through, so we need to pull the lines in anyway. 2 rods have gone off. Bonus. There we go. So that was on a roach and covered in krill glug from Baylys baits. Bonus. So between 3 of us we had 16 pike in total. I landed 5 of those, 4 of which were glugged with KrayZKrill glug. The other one was a live bait, so you're not going to glug that. Pretty good day. Yeah. Hopefully I can get on some carp for the next video, and we can put the baits to the test again. Like and subscribe. Find us on Facebook and Instagram. Instagram at Bunce and Fishing, and we'll see you on the bank very soon. Tight lines.